Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MailerLite templates to speed up campaign production, complete guide step by step clearly. To download MailerLite templates, first, log into your MailerLite account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Templates section located in the main dashboard. In the Templates section, you'll find a wide array of pre-designed options. Browse through the available templates to find the one that fits your campaign needs. When you find a template you like, click on the thumbnail to open it. This will take you to a preview of the selected template. Review the template to ensure it meets your expectations and aligns with your campaign goals. Once you are satisfied with the template, look for the Use Template button. Click on the Use Template button to start editing. The template will then be opened in the editor, allowing you to customize it. Make any necessary changes to text, images, and layout to match your branding. After editing, ensure you save your changes by clicking the Save button. To download the template, go to the Export options within the editor. Select the format you wish to download, typically HTML for email campaigns. Click on the Download button to save the template to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your designated Downloads folder. With the template now saved, you can integrate it into your other email marketing tools if needed. Repeat these steps for any additional templates you wish to download. Utilizing MailerLite templates can significantly speed up your campaign production process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.